All right, we're here, Bryce Canyon National Park. This is the secret. Maylin's climbing on the sign. Let's go hike. Man, it's been so windy until now, but we'll see how this goes. It's even windy right now. Out in Bryce Canyon National Park. Obviously I got Maylin with me, just the two of us again. And this is the first time I've actually stepped outside of the car and hiked in this park, as opposed to just going and taking pictures at the viewpoints of like the Bryce Canyon Amphitheater. I really wanted to get out and hike in this park, take Maylin, and with that we decided to do the Swamp Canyon and Sheep Creek loop. It's about a 4-mile loop. I have no idea what to expect from this, other than the map said about 700 or so, less than 700 feet of total elevation gain and loss. So far, I'm the only person here on the trail, and I love that. I love being in a national park and not seeing anybody else, at least in the general area of where I'm at. So I see some red rock here through the trees, so I'm kind of expecting a pretty fantastic view here in a couple minutes. We're starting to make the descent down into Sheep Creek now, and anticipating a pretty awesome view here in a second. So far the trail has been just beautiful. It's pretty warm out here today though, so there's that, but okay, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Wow. Well, there you go. Classic Bryce Canyon views. May, is it pretty?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
It's pretty. It's pretty.
Do you see the red rocks?
Yeah.
Do you see the yellow rocks?
Yeah. I see pink ones. I see pink ones.
You see pink rocks? What else?
Black ones.
You see black ones?
Yeah.
Okay, there's some black rocks. What else?
There's some pink ones.
Okay, you already said pink. Is there red rocks?
Yeah.
Is there orange?
Yeah.
What about blue?
There's blue.
No!
Right there.
The sky is blue, silly. Alright, so we just did the 2 miles to the Under the Rim Trail on the Sheep Creek Connecting Trail. Pretty cool little, do a lot of geological survey thing there. So it's 1.1 miles at this point to the next junction, but my goodness,
Love you.
Maylin loves me, and she always reminds me of that. But it's hot, holy goodness. So we're gonna find some good shade, a good place to sit, just hang out for a bit, because I did that 2 miles in 45 minutes. So we were cooking. So we just took about a 15-minute break, get all hydrated and whatnot. It's only about 80 degrees, but my goodness, it's hot. So Maylin insisted on walking, which I'm okay with. We'll see how long that lasts. That just means I don't have to carry her weight this entire time. It also just means the pace is really slow, which is totally fine because we get to do Maylin things when she's not in the pack. So, just enjoying a beautiful day. Beautiful place.
It's hot today. There's a hiking. There's a hike.
Wow. Coming around that corner to quite the view, my goodness. That is so pretty. It's now the climb out.
Let's go home.
Yep, let's go home, May. But we still got a mile of trail to do that's all uphill. So, wish me luck. Let's see if Miss May can walk all the way back to the car. Can you do it, May?
I'm walking
Yep.
slow.
You're walking really slow, but that's okay. Sat for about 10 minutes and enjoyed conversation with some folks that were doing some trail work. I always love seeing that kind of stuff out on the trails. There really are people that go out, take care of the places we hike. Volunteers nonetheless. Really cool stuff. Not gonna lie, this is kind of brutal. It's really hot and steep. I just want to get back to the car. Whew. Yeah. We're back to the car. That last mile was pretty brutal. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, this one's wasted, totally beat. Trying to make sure that she is gonna stay hydrated. I'm worn out. That was, it's hard to express like how the heat just destroys you even though it's not super hot. So it's only 80 degrees, but the UV index is like 9 and it's just really, really, really harsh type of hiking conditions. So we might have bit off a little bit more than we could chew, but man, that was beautiful. What a beautiful, beautiful hike. 4 miles doing the Swamp Canyon and Sheep Creek loop on the connector trails. So definitely recommended, but maybe not first day of July. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. As always, have an awesome day. Catch you on the next one.